Hey guys, and welcome to day 21 of, day 22 of Vlogmas. It is December 21st. I have to do this every time in my head. I went to work today, and so I have not filmed a single thing. I'm back home now, pretty obviously. And I have to figure out what the heck we're having for dinner. I just got some lunch, both lunch and breakfast from the cafeteria at work. It's just super easy. I also picked up some cookies. They do cookies by the pound around Christmas, so you can just get some Christmas cookies if you don't want to feel like baking them. And some of them are interesting flavors, so that's cool. Let's see. It's cold. I saw some snow flurries, like very, very few, just flying over the car while I was driving home. And I am now done with work for the year. So I will go back on January 3rd when the kids go back to school. I'm going back to work, and that's going to be always a a bad, hard time getting back into reality after being, out of work for at least a whole week, plus some, because my schedule almost always gets completely messed up because I'm generally a night owl, but when I don't have commitments. But yeah, I'm done. But now I have to get ready for Christmas and gatherings and all of that. And tomorrow I'm making a bûche de Noël, so that's gonna be fun. And I'm also getting my hair cut tomorrow because it is way past needing a haircut. But I will talk to you guys when I figure out what the heck we're doing for dinner. But I thought I would, show you guys that I'm kind of dressed with more than a t-shirt. I went to work and put on nice clothes, but now I'm going to take them off and get comfortable. So next time I see you, I will be probably in the same sweatshirt I was wearing yesterday, which actually was clean yesterday, even though I wore it like a couple days before that too, because I had to wash it. So it's clean-ish now, but I think I'm going to put it back on because it is so cold. So cold. Once again, for dinner, we're mostly having leftovers. Here's my timer. I reheated a steak from when my husband cooked steaks earlier this week, I think. And I found some Russian vegetable soup in the freezer, which pretty much nobody in my family liked but me, but it made a huge batch, but that's okay. We're gonna have that. And I'm gonna have a big bowl, and then I'm gonna just make them kind of small bowls. And then I have the last of the bread kind of toasting in the oven. I'm gonna put some butter on that, maybe finish up the cheese. And that's gonna be dinner. I know, kind of simple, but it's food. So I can't believe we're already on our 21st whiskey. Christmas is coming really soon. This is another area that we only have one sample from. Campbellton. I'm not sure how they pronounce it, but it is a peninsula in the sort of southwest of Scotland. And the information here says that there used to be about 30 distilleries and now there are 3. It's a 5-year-old blended malt whiskey, and they're not telling us which of those 3 that this comes from. It's undisclosed and rare. So we'll see. It says it's 45% alcohol by volume, and we should taste honey, soft fruits, and brine. They say that these whiskeys from this area are often peaty, smoky. They don't say that here, but we'll see if we see that. Oh, and it was in a bourbon barrel, so kind of light. What do we have? Okay. So I'll be interested to see if there's any smokiness in this one. It doesn't smell smoky. I don't immediately think char, smoke. Smells kind of sweet. It also doesn't have that immediate ocean brine smell that one of the ones we had did. So, but it does have a sweet, fruity flavor. Am I getting the brine? Definitely is not as smooth as some of the other ones, being only 5 years old. But it's good. I like it. I like it fine. I'm not sure why it's rare. Maybe because there are only 3. I'll have to do a little bit more research on that, see if I can figure that out. Being a 5-year-old, I would think it wouldn't be that rare, but maybe they just don't produce much. Anyway. So that is it for day 22 of Vlogmas. And from here on out, we are not working. So hopefully I'll remember to keep you updated on what we are doing throughout our day. I think we're probably going to end on Christmas. Probably Christmas Day will be our last one. So Vlogmas Day 25 will probably be our last one. But we'll see what we feel up to at that point. And if you're interested, please hit the subscribe button. Come back and watch us. Watch our Christmas exploits. What we're getting into on this pre-Christmas season. And come back and watch us cook year round. We'll see you later.